If you want to be trusted, be honest. If you want to be honest, be true. If you want to be true, be yourself. Let's watch the performance of grade 3 students.
Honesty means always telling the truth. Can people trust you? Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Like when you drop a nice vase and your mom doesn't see. Do you tell her the truth or do you go, who, me? Just say that you dropped it and mother will say, thank you for telling the truth, I can trust you every day. Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Like when you see a friend get bullied and the teacher comes near. Do you just turn your back as if you didn't even hear? Just tell that nice teacher what you really saw then, and people will trust you if bullying happens again. Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Like when you're doing your schoolwork and you want to cheat. Do you look off your neighbor's paper or let Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Like when you butt in line and the teacher spies it. Do you say I'm sorry or do you blatantly deny it? Just say that you cut and find truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you?
लाला जी के गाल हो जाते टमाटर जैसे लाल, सेब जैसे लाल, स्ट्रॉबेरी जैसे लाल। जब भी वो कहते झूठ झूठ झूठ, जब भी वो कहते झूठ झूठ झूठ। पर लाला जी के पास आती एक परी, खूबसूरत परी, प्यारी सी परी। जब भी वो कहते सच सच सच, जब भी वो कहते सच सच सच। सच के लिए परी बजाती तालियां, डैडी के संग मम्मी भी खुश हो जाती।
हम हमेशा सच कहेंगे, हम झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे। हमें परी से मिलना है, हमने ही लड्डू खाए हैं।
अरे वो देखो,
Being honest means being the sort of a person who tells the truth. If you tell the truth, people can trust you. There is a saying, honesty is the best policy. Why are you always complaining? However hard I work, I never earn any extra money. I shall always be poor. Ozzy, tell me, are you honest? Of course, I'm honest. Good. become rich. The poor man did not understand the king's promise, but he continued to listen. Here are the two bags, a big one and a small one. I want you to big one to give your master, the farmer, and small one you can keep it for yourself. Do you understand? Yes, Your Majesty. But the poor man still did not understand. He did not know what was in the bags, and he did not see why he should have the small one. And he went off for the farm, complaining to himself as he went. Why should I have the small bag? I am poorer than the farmer. I shall have the big bag. I know, I'll keep the big bag. I'll give the small bag to my master. But the poor man felt a bit guilty about himself. He argued with himself. But that would be dishonest. But still, my master wouldn't know that I was being dishonest. The poor man thought about it all the way home. Just before he got home, he gave in to temptation. He hid the big bag under a bush and gave the small one to his master. Sir, here's a present from the king. I'm not sure what it is. The farmer was surprised. He opened the bag.
It's full of gold. I'm rich. I wonder why the king gave me this. I haven't done anything to deserve it.
The poor man jumped for joy. His big bag must contain even more gold. He ran back to the hiding place, shouting, I'm rich! I'm rich! He opened the bag and found it was full of seed. The king has tested the poor man to see if he was really honest. The big bag of seeds was for the farmer, and the small bag of gold was for the poor man. If he had been honest, the poor man would have had the gold and would have had an easy life.
like an innocent child, bright and full of youthful vitality. They are like angels that come to the world with no deceit, just open hearts, they're dignified. They give their hearts to God and win His trust. They are the honest people whom God loves, letting God's words guide us every day. We're blessed and the Holy Spirit leads us. We accept God's scrutiny, live before Him. To love God truly is to be joyful. Christ's kingdom is heaven for honest people, and it is a beautiful home. Those who love the truth all have honest hearts. We take joy in practicing the truth. By obeying God, our hearts are at peace. We fear God and shun evil, live by God's words. Living in God's words, we have been set free. To love God is to be fully happy. Letting God's words guide us every day. We're blessed and the Holy Spirit leads us. We accept God's scrutiny, live before Him. To love God truly is to be joyful. Christ's kingdom is heaven for honest people, and it is a beautiful home. Loving God brings ease and enjoyment. We live easily when we act by God's words. Only God and the truth are in our heart. God's words have become our entire life. Letting God's words guide us every